Good afternoon. It's about 4 o'clock in the afternoon, Mountain Daylight Time. I'm sitting in the visitors section of the House of Bishops meeting room, getting ready for the afternoon legislative session of the House of Bishops. It's been a good day. It's the second formal official day of General Convention. We've done really good work in my legislative committee, which is on prayer book, liturgy, and music. We had a really productive joint session of both houses around the questions of structure in the church. What are the church structures that are helpful to us, especially to our congregations, and what are the ones that perhaps we need to change or discard? So I wanted to report on all of that to you, but also more importantly to touch base with you on this day when the Supreme Court has mandated the right of all people to be married, men to men, women to women, men and women, across all the states. I know that whatever your opinion of that ruling may be, that you will join me in honoring it, because it is now law, and that we will all take our part in making sure that as Ohio moves into a new legal situation, that we do so with respect and with care for the dignity of the law, and more importantly, the dignity of every human being. However, I'm sure you will not be surprised to know that I am elated by their decision. I have long been convinced that the union of two men or two women in fidelity, lifelong, is every much as an occasion for the sanctification of nearness, of love of neighbor, as marriage traditionally understood, and I will move as quickly as possible to ensure that we can integrate this new possibility into our church life in Southern Ohio. However, we won't just jump into it immediately, because this is too important a matter to treat in that way. So I will be in consultation with the Standing Committee and with Diocesan Council and with anyone else who wishes to be in conversation with me once I get back from General Convention, so that we can, with all deliberate haste, make sure that our policies are clearly in place and we know how to move forward to make marriage for all a reality in the Diocese of Southern Ohio. Please also remember that tomorrow is the election of a new presiding bishop. I thank you for your prayers. I hope that you also keep in your prayers my three colleagues who are also nominees. And we will, of course, be in touch with you about the results as soon as they are public. The election begins to take place around 11 o'clock Salt Lake City time tomorrow. We don't know how long it will take to arrive at an election. It may be 2, 3, 4, 5 ballots. And after that, there are some routine conversations that need to happen between the House of Bishops and the House of Deputies in order that they have a chance to confirm the election, and then it will become public. So prayers requested and appreciated. God love you, bless you. Take care.